Alrighty, folks, if you're not following this man on Instagram, Invest with Omar, you are missing out. I heard him the other day talk about going into the fire. He's getting prepared to go into the fire. And I got to tell you, I'm not sure what that means. But you know what? We're just going to ask him and figure out what it means. Alrighty, Omar, you are getting ready to go into the fire. I don't know what that means. So tell me, bro.
So there's a couple things, the way the market is,
Mhm.
it's definitely up and down. It's volatile. We don't really see what's happening in the next couple months. And I was telling the team and gathering all of our marketing campaigns and stuff, and we're going to go really, really heavy in market share, right? Maybe
Okay.
not representing a whole lot of buyers and sellers, but everyone's going to receive a postcard, everyone's going to receive a letter, everyone's going to hear me on the radio, everyone's going to see billboard ads. So when this market does turn around, I am spending the money. I am going to do a little extra. I am going to be doing more on social about I just bought this house. I just
Ah,
bought this house. I bought this house for right prices. I bought this house creatively. So when we see this downturn of like, I don't know what to do, I'm behind on my payments, I need to save my house, I need something. Well, guess what? I'm going to go in there and buy your house subject to, because you've seen me over and over and over and over again. And because of which, it's going to allow our team to receive sign calls, to have the ability to convert these sign calls into new buyers, right? For the regular brokerage. Plus, how many people really go find deals? Not very many. Yesterday, I received two people from past clients that see my stuff that said, "Hey, we have $100,000 to invest. We have $150,000 to invest." This is absolutely insane because um, now I'm going to be able to use their money to go buy more property, right?
yeah.
And continue that flow. So while
So,
people are
yeah,
retreating, I'm
that's
going
it.
to do something different.
Yeah, that's what you're doing. Yeah, I don't know if I would call that going into the fire. I get the analogy. What I think you're doing is you're filling the void. I think there's a lot of people that are scared, a lot of people that are nervous, and rightly so. A lot of folks, realtors specifically, they have
Mm-hmm.
what Brian Lebo calls months of life, right? You have your BMW lease, your Tesla lease, your this lease, your that lease, and your lifestyle is more than your income now because it's so bad out there. So you have a lot of people pulling back from advertising, from mailers, and you're going to fill that void. And because you have the track record, because you have the deals, you're going to be able to show evidence, and it's going to be wild to watch, man. It's I think you're going to fill the void and you're going to come out. I think you're going to be shocked at how strong you come out of this.
You know what? That is the plan. I have it written down everywhere. And do I question it every fucking day? Yes, I owe you a
That's
dollar.
good. You should be
But
nervous. You should be nervous.
but I am, because it's like, all right, well, this shit better work, And I'm borrowing people's money, and I'm doing this, and I'm doing this. It's all secured by real estate, obviously, right?
Yeah.
But I'm buying them deep enough that they're still solid.
Right.
But I'm not gonna lie to you, like, you know, at times I'm looking at my expenditures of what I have going
Sure.
out
Yeah.
for all these new properties or new flips, and it's like all these guys better hit, man. If they hit, I should say when they hit, not if, when they hit, we're going to be doubling up the amount of
Yeah.
investment that I've made, which is great. But at the same time, you just said something that just caught my interest about your lifestyle, catching up to your traditional income, right?
Hmm.
And what you're not making with the lifestyle you had before while you were making it, right?
Hmm.
And with me, you said BMW payments. This, I'm like, I got fucking house payments
Yeah.
everywhere. So Big Bear and
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
other areas, but they're covering themselves. They're not making any profits. But it's funny because I think about that too, and it's like, hey, Alyssa, do we sell that? Do we sell this one? Recoup all the cash? Just
Yeah.
wait. I mean, what do we do? Give up 3% loans,
Yeah.
2.9% loans? It's like, dude, that is the investment, and that is like that leverage. But I don't, I don't know. I don't know. But all of it makes me fucking nervous. But I'm like, you know
Ah,
what?
good.
I'm gonna shoot, and see what happens quarter one, quarter two, because I think quarter one, quarter two is where, we're privy to make a good solid number in quarter one, quarter two.
Yeah, I mean, I think you've learned last year, right? You make your investments in Q4, you prosper in Q2. And a
Mm-hmm.
lot of folks are just taking Q4 off. They're scared, they're nervous. Last Q4 hurt a lot of people. And you're filling a void. You're filling the
I am.
void. You're sucking in the oxygen. It's not going to allow others to really operate, and you're going to come out stronger. So it's going to be fun to watch. And we'll talk every week because, I can tell you're nervous, and that's okay. You're supposed to be nervous.
All right, Michael, let's go.
There, there you go. Where can people find you?
Guys, follow me at Invest with Omar on IG. Go to my YouTube at Omar Alfaro, or go to my
Yeah.
website, omaralfaro.com.
Yeah. See what's what. Thank you, buddy.
All right.